Hello students and good afternoon. So now I am doing class for class 12 science. So this is the continuation class for the chapter integration by parts, and in the last online class also we were doing the same chapter, that is integration by parts. So I hope you revise all the problems that we did so far on this chapter. So today is the continuation class, same exercise 7, page number 381, 5 marks section from the book Higher Mathematics for class 12 by SN Day. So let's do this question number 30. That is integration of within square root x minus 2 into 6 minus x dx. Okay. So within square root there are two factors. So let us simplify the expression on the square root. Let us multiply these two factors within square root. Right. So therefore I is equal to integration of within square root. Let us multiply it x into 6x minus x square minus 12 minus into minus plus, it is 2x, then it is dx, or I is equal to integration of within square root. Let us write minus x square first, plus 6x plus 2x plus 8x, then minus 12, then outside square root it is dx, or I is equal to integration of within square root, minus is taken common within bracket, x square minus into plus minus 8x minus into minus plus 12 bracket close dx. Now since there are terms containing x square and x, okay, and since there are terms containing x square and x, and we have already made the coefficient of x square positive 1 by taking minus common, okay, now we have to convert these terms containing x square and x into perfect square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b whole square, or it may be a square plus 2ab plus b whole square, okay, or I is equal to integration of within square root minus within second bracket, what is a whole square, this is x whole square, minus 2 into x into, what should be the value for b, so that we can have 8x here, it should be 4 2s are 8x plus, what is b whole square, 4 whole square, right. Then next you write plus 12 because 12 is there. What is 4 whole square, 16, is there 16, no, so we can write minus 16, so second bracket is closed, then what do we write, dx, or I is equal to integration of within square root minus second bracket is opened, a square minus 2ab plus b whole square is, this is x minus 4 whole square plus 12 minus 16 is minus 4. Here second bracket is closed. Then outside square root there is dx. Is that understood? So now let us multiply by minus sign here, or I is equal to integration of within square root. So let us write down positive term first. So minus into minus plus 4 minus, then it is x minus 4 whole square, x minus 4 whole square, then what do we write, dx. So is that clear? Next, or I is equal to integration of within square root. How will you write this 4? 2 whole square minus x minus 4 whole square, then it is dx. So now this is the standard form. What is the value for a in this case? It is 2, and instead of x there is x minus 4. So this is the form of root over a square minus x square. That is the third standard integrals in this chapter, integration by parts. So let us use the formula now. I is equal to, what is x here? X minus 4 root over a square minus x square is x minus 4 whole square divided by 2 plus what is a whole square? 2 whole square divided by 2, then you can write sine inverse x by a, that is x minus 4 divided by 2 bracket closed plus c, okay. So or I is equal to, now this is half x minus 4 within square root 2 whole square is 4 minus within bracket a minus b whole square, x square minus 2ab here is minus 8x plus 4 whole square is 16. Then plus here 2n square will be cancelled. So 2 sine inverse. Now this is x minus 4 whole divided by 2 plus c. Or this is I is equal to half. This is your x minus 4. And within square root here we have 4 minus x square plus 8x minus 16. Right? Then plus 2 sine inverse within bracket x minus 4 divided by 2 plus c. Or now this is I is equal to half x minus 4, then within square root, let us simplify it further. So let us write here 8x first, 8x, then plus 8x, then minus x square, then minus 12, then plus 2 sine inverse, this is x minus 4 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. The answer is half into x minus 4. Then 8x is written first, minus x square minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12 plus 2 sine inverse within bracket x minus 4 divided by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it, so you can note it down. So now we'll do the next problem. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 31. So you have to evaluate this. Integral of within square root 3x square plus 10x plus 3 then dx. So here also the coefficient of x square here is 3, and this expression contains both x square as well as x. You have to make it in terms of perfect square. You have to convert it into perfect square. Before that, make the coefficient of x square positive 1. Okay, so we can take common here 3. So let us write I is equal to integration of within square root 3 is taken common, x square plus this is 10x by 3 plus 1 bracket closed. Then you should write dx. Or I is equal to root 3 is constant here, you can take outside. Then integration of within square root x square plus 10x by 3 plus 1, then outside square root there is dx. Is that clear? So let us convert into perfect square now. Or I is equal to, so what do we get? It is root 3 integration of within square root a whole square is x square plus twice into a is x into 2 is already there, x is already there. By which number will you multiply 2x to get 10x by 3? So it will be 5 upon 3. Okay, so that 5 2s are 10x divided by 3. Plus, what is b whole square? It is 5 upon 3 whole square. Right? Then write down plus 1. What is 5 by 3 whole square? It is 25 by 9. Is there 25 by 9? No. So it is minus 25 by 9. Right? And outside square root there is dx. Or I is equal to root over 3 integration of within square root a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. What is it? X plus 5 by 3 whole square. What is it? Plus 1 minus 25 by 9. You have to subtract it. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 25 is minus 16 by 9. Then you write dx. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is your root over 3 integration of within square root. Within square root, what is x out here? It is x plus 5 by 3 whole square. X plus 5 by 3 whole square minus 16 by 9 can be written as 4 by 3 whole square. Then you should write dx. Is that clear? 16 by 9 can be written as 4 by 3 whole square. Okay, so instead of x there is x plus 5 by 3. Instead of a there is 4 upon 3. Right? So or I is equal to root over 3 within third bracket. What is x in this case? It is x plus 5 by 3 within square root x plus 5 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square divided by 2, right? Then minus sign, because there is minus sign here. What is a whole square? This is 4 upon 3 whole square divided by 2. Then log within mod x, what is x here? X plus 5 by 3 plus root over x square minus a square. X plus 5 by 3 whole square minus, what is a whole square? This is 4 by 3 whole square. Mod sign closed, right? Then third bracket is closed plus c. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it further now. Or I is equal to, this is root 3 within third bracket. What's the LCM here? 3x plus 5. So this is 3x plus 5 divided by 3 to the 6, right? Then next within square root, let us simplify it. A plus b whole square. A square is x square plus twice ab. What is twice ab? 10x by 3. 2 into x into 5 by 3. 10x by 3 plus b whole square is 25 by 9 minus this is 16 by 9. Is that clear? Then minus 4 whole square is 16 divided by 3 square. 9 2s are 18 log, right? So within mod, this is x plus 5 by 3 plus root over, let us simplify it, x square plus 10x by 3, that is twice ab, plus what is b whole square? It is 25 by 9 minus 16 by 9, mod sign closed, third bracket closed, plus c. Is that clear? So or I is equal to, let us multiply by root 3 here. It is root over 3, it is 3x plus 5 whole divided by 6, and within square root, what is here? X square is kept as it is plus 10x by 3 plus 25 minus 16 by 9, that is 9 by 9, that is your 1 minus. So let us multiply by root 3 here. Here 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So it is 8 root over 3 divided by 9, right? Here you can write log within mod x plus 5 by 3 plus within square root there is x square plus 10x by 3 plus 1. Mod sign closed, then plus c. So you can keep the answer as it is, okay? So you can keep the answer as it is. So this is the answer. You don't have to simplify it further. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 32. You have to evaluate this integration of x square plus 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, so how will you do this integration? So let us first write I is equal to integration of, this is x square plus 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. Now in the numerator the highest power of x is 2, and in the denominator within square root the highest power of x here is also 2. So whatever is there in the denominator within square root, let us write it in the numerator. Or I is equal to integration of, let us write it within bracket 1 minus x square. Because within square root there is 1 minus x square, so we write within bracket 1 minus x square. So let us make it x square plus 1, but here we have got 1 minus x square. So you have to make it plus x square. So outside this bracket you write minus sign. So minus into minus plus x square. That is correct. But this is minus 1. But here is plus 1. So how can you make minus 1 plus 1? By writing plus 2 divided by within square root 1 minus x square dx. Is that clear? Now you can separate the term, or I is equal to this minus sign is taken outside, integration of within bracket 1 minus x square dx divided by within square root 1 minus x square. Then plus 2 is constant taken outside, integration of dx divided by root over this is 1 minus x square. Is that clear now? So I think you have understood it, but here you can cancel this root over, you can cancel 1 minus x square by root over 1 minus x square, that is root over this is 1 minus x square, or I is equal to this is minus integration of within square root 1 minus x square dx plus 2 integration of dx divided by root over 1 minus x square. Both are standard form. So this first standard integration is the standard integration from the chapter integration by parts, and this standard integral is from the method of substitution. Okay, so here or I is equal to, now this one can be written as 1 square and this one can be written as 1 square, and this first one minus within third bracket, this is the third standard integration from integration by parts. Instead of a there is 1, instead of x there is x only. So what is the formula? It is x root over a square minus x square divided by 2 plus a square by 2. What is a square here? 1 square, there is 1. A square by 2 sine inverse, it is x upon a, that is x upon 1. Okay, then third bracket is closed, then plus 2 into, now this is the form integration of dx divided by root over a square minus x square. This is the sixth standard form. This is the sixth standard form from the chapter method of substitution. So what is the formula? Here a is 1 and x is x. Sine inverse x by a. So this is sine inverse x by 1. Then what do we write? Plus c. So let us multiply it by minus sign. This is minus x root over 1 minus x square by 2 minus into plus minus half sine inverse x plus 2 sine inverse x plus c, right? Or let us simplify it further. I is equal to minus x root over 1 minus x square by 2. Then, so this is minus and this is plus. These are similar terms. You can subtract them. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 is plus 3 by 2 sine inverse x plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 33. So let us evaluate this integration, that is integral of dx divided by x minus root over x square minus 1. So in order to evaluate this integration, let us simplify the expression first. You have to rationalize the denominator. What is the meaning of rationalizing the denominator? You have to remove square root from the denominator. Now you know how to rationalize the denominator. How can you remove square root from the denominator? You have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by opposite sign, that is x plus root under x square minus 1, right? So let us write I is equal to integration of within bracket, it should be x plus root over x square minus 1 then dx divided by x minus root over x square minus 1 into x plus root over x square minus 1, right? So or I is equal to integration of, now this is x plus root over x square minus 1 dx divided by, what is the formula that you can use here? A minus b into a plus b, that is your a square minus b whole square. A square is x whole square minus root over x square minus 1 whole square, right? So let us simplify it further. I is equal to integration of, this is x plus root over x square minus 1 then dx divided by, what is x whole square? X square minus, now what is root under x square minus 1 whole square? Square root will be removed and you will get x square minus 1. Let us multiply it by minus sign. So minus x square minus to minus plus 1. First of all, here square root is removed. That is root over x square minus whole square is x square minus 1. And let us multiply it by minus sign. So this is minus x square minus minus plus 1. Okay. So here x square gets cancelled. We have only 1 here. So dividing by 1, usually we don't write it. Or I is equal to integration of within bracket x plus root over x square minus 1. Then we write dx. So I hope you have understood it. Okay. So now let us separate them. Or I is equal to, you can separate it, integral sign x dx. This is your x dx plus then integral of root over, this is x square minus 1 dx. Is that clear? So now this is the standard integral. Here 1 can be written as 1 whole square. This is integration of root over x square minus a square dx. Instead of x there is x, instead of a there is 1. So what is the integration of x dx? This is x square by 2 plus. So what is the formula here? X root over x square minus a square divided by 2 minus sign is there. What is a square? 1 square by 2 then log within mod, this is x plus root over x square minus 1 square, mod sign closed, plus a, this is your 1 square, right? So or I is equal to, this is x square by 2 plus x root over x square minus 1 divided by 2 minus a square, 1 square is 1 by 2 then log within mod x plus root over x square minus 1 mod sign closed plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 34. So this is quite different type of problem here. It is given integral of within bracket x plus a bracket close and within square root there is x square minus b square dx. So outside the square root there is expression within bracket x plus a. Here the highest power of x is 1. This is known as linear expression in x. But within square root the highest power of x is 2. That is your quadratic expression. But within square root there is no term containing x to the power 1 there. So directly you can multiply it and separate it. Okay. Like therefore I is equal to, you can directly separate it. You can multiply these two terms and then directly you can separate integral sign and dx. So it will be integral sign x and this is root over x square minus b square dx, right? Plus, now here a is constant, a root over x square minus b square. Again in this case also you have to write down integral sign. Okay, so this is a integral sign root over, this is x square minus b square, then it is dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so or I is equal to, let us write it as I1 plus a within third bracket. This is the standard integration number 2 from integration by parts. Instead of x there is x, instead of a there is b. Let us write down the formula now. x root over x square minus a square, it is b square divided by 2 minus what is a whole square? B square by 2 log within mod x plus root over x square minus b square, mod sign closed, third bracket closed, plus c. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is your I1 plus, let us multiply by a here. So this is half ax root over that is your x square minus b square, plus and minus, this is ab square divided by 2. Then you can write here log within mod x plus root over x square minus b square, mod sign closed, plus c. So I think you have understood it. So let us get the value for I1 now. And you have to put that value of I1 in I in order to get the answer. Let, what is I1 here now? Here I1 is integral sine x within square root x square minus b square dx. So now what is the method for integrating it? You know that within square root there is term x square minus b square. If you differentiate x square minus b square, you will get 2x, isn't it? That means we are getting x here, 2 constant term that you can manipulate it. Okay, so let us assume x square minus b square as z. So let us do method of substitution in this case, because differentiation of x square minus b square will be x, that is your 2x. Okay, so let us differentiate it. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So it is dz by dx is equal to, dz by dx is equal to x, isn't it? And for b square it is 0. Now let us cross multiply it. Dz is equal to 2x dx, and let us take 2 to the left hand side. It goes, you should write it in the denominator. Dz by 2 is equal to x dx. So we're getting the value for x dx, which is equal to dz by 2. So what is I1 now? So I1 is equal to, this is integration of within square root, that is z, x square minus b square is z. So within square root there is z. And what's about this x dx? It is dz by 2. It is dz by 2. Or I1 is equal to, this is your half integration of z to the power half dz. Understood? So next, what will you do? This is the form x to the power n. What is integration of x to the power n with respect to x? It is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Similarly here also, I1 is equal to half into z to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. Or what is I1 here now? Half into z to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. 2 gets cancels. So I1 is equal to 1/3. What is the value for z? What is z in this case? X square minus b square. This is your x square minus b square whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. That is the value for I1. So let us put this value for I1 in I to get the answer. Okay. So therefore, what is I now? I is equal to, what is I1? I1, you have to put the value for I1 in this I. So I is equal to, what is I1 here? It is 1/3 within bracket x square minus b square whole to the power 3 by 2. Now in this case you don't have to write this c again, because c is already written there. So you have to write only one c. Okay, so don't write down this c here. So we can write down plus c at the end of the answer, right? So let us write the value for I1 as 1/3 x square minus b square whole to the power 3 by 2 only. Then what is there? What is the second term? Plus half ax, then root over x square minus b square. Since there is no space, let us write it in the next step. Minus ab square upon 2, right? Then log within mod x plus root over, this is x square minus b square, mod sign closed, right? Minus ab square by 2 log within mod x plus root under x1 minus b square mod sign closed. Then you should write plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it, you can note it down. So let's do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 35. You have to evaluate this integration. The given question is integral of x minus 1 bracket close and within its square root x square plus x plus 1 and then dx. So let us write first I is equal to integration of x minus 1 within its square root x square plus x plus 1 then dx. So how can you evaluate this integration? So now here the given expression is, first one is x minus 1. Here the power of x is 1. So x minus 1 is linear expression in x, and within its square root there is term containing x square plus x plus 1. Here the highest power of x is 2. So this is the quadratic expression in x. But this quadratic expression in x also contains x to the power 1. The term contains, this expression contains x to the power 1 also. So this is quite different from question number 34. Okay. Now in this case, instead of this x minus 1, you have to write down the differentiation of x square plus x plus 1 in the front of x minus 1. Okay. So instead of this x minus 1, you have to write down the differentiation of the quadratic expression. That is, you have to differentiate x square plus x plus 1 and write it in instead of x minus 1. Okay. So, or I is equal to, let us write here differentiation of x square plus x plus 1. What is the differentiation of x square? This is 2x. Plus, what is the differentiation of x? This is 1. And what is the differentiation of 1 constant? That is 0. Okay. But we have got 2x plus 1 in this case. But you should get x minus 1. Let us simplify it. Let us keep it within bracket. Okay. So now there is 2x and here is x. By which constant will you multiply 2x to get only x? It should be multiplied by half. Is that clear? So if you multiply it by half, so 2x into half will be x. So it is correct. We are getting x. But there is minus 1. But in this case, if you multiply this 1 by half, you will get half. Is there a half? No. So you first write minus 1. So, but since there is no half there, you should write minus 1 upon 2. So let us keep it within second bracket. So after simplification, you will get x minus 1. Okay. 2x into half is x. 2 gets cancelled, you will get x. Plus half minus half will be cancelled and you get minus 1. That is x minus 1. Okay. So in this case, we have written here the differentiation of x square plus x plus 1 out here. That is 2x plus 1. But since there is x, it should be multiplied by half to get x. Okay. So we are getting x, that is correct. But there is minus half. So 1 into half is half. There is no half. So it is minus half. And you should write down this minus 1. Is that clear? So now within its square root, there is x square plus x plus 1 dx. I hope you have understood it. Okay. So, or I is equal to integration of within second bracket 2x plus 1 into half, then minus 1 minus half. Same sign, you can add them. Minus, this is 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So this is minus 3 by 2. Second bracket is closed. Then within square root we have x square plus x plus 1 dx. So now we can use the same method as we have done in the previous problem. Okay. So now let us multiply them and separate it. Or I is equal to this half is constant. Half. This half is constant. It is written outside integral sign. Integration of within bracket 2x plus 1. Then within square root x square plus x plus 1. Then you should write dx. Is that clear now? Next, minus sign is there. Minus 3 by 2 integration of within square root x square plus x plus 1 dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So let us write these as I is equal to first as I1 minus second as I2. So we have assumed for this first integration as I1 and the second integration as I2. Let, what is I1 here? It is half integration of 2x plus 1 within square root x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay. So now in this case we can use the method of substitution. Within square root there is x square plus x plus 1. If you differentiate x square plus x plus 1, we are getting this 2x plus 1. But since the square root is in the numerator, no need of writing it as z square. Let us put z only. Okay. So let z is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So let us differentiate it. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore dz by dx is equal to 2x plus 1, or what is dz now, which is equal to 2x plus 1 into dx. So we're getting 2x plus 1 into dx. So what is I1 now? So I1 is equal to, now this is half, you should write here, half integration of then within square root there is z, isn't it? X square plus x plus 1 is z. Then what is 2x plus 1 into dx? What is that? 2x plus 1 into dx, 2x plus 1 into dx is dz. Is that clear? So, or I1 is equal to half integration of, this is z to the power half dz, or I1 is equal to half into z to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Here 2 gets cancels, right? So, or I1 is equal to, this is your 1/3. What is the value for z? What is z actually? It is x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the value for only I1. So let us find out I2 now. Let, what is I2 here now? Let I2 is equal to 3 by 2 integration of within square root x square plus x plus 1 dx. I2 is equal to 3 by 2 integration of within square root x square plus x plus 1. So let us convert it into a standard form now. So always make the coefficient of x square positive 1. X is also there, you have to convert it into perfect square form. So let us make the coefficient of x square positive 1. So it is already positive 1. So let us convert it into perfect square form. Okay. So therefore I2 is equal to 3 by 2 integration of within square root. What is a whole square? This is x whole square plus 2 into x into 2x is already there. What should be the value for b, so that after multiplying it with 2x you should get only x. This is half plus what is b whole square? Half whole square. Okay. What is half whole square? It is 1/4. Is there 1/4? No. So first you write plus 1 because plus 1 is here, but half whole square is 1/4. 1/4 is not out here, so you should subtract it. So minus 1/4, and outside is square root, you should write dx, right? So or I2 is equal to 3 by 2 integration of within square root. So what is the formula here? This is x plus half whole square, and this is plus 1 minus 1/4 is plus 4 ones are 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4, then dx. Is that understood? Or I2 is equal to 3 by 2 integration of within square root. This is x plus half whole square plus 3 by 4. You should write it within whole square. So plus this is your root 3 by 2 whole square, then dx. So what is the value for x in this case? It is x plus half. What is the value for a? It is root 3 by 2. So this is standard from number 1. Standard integral number 1 from integration by parts. Okay. So let us use the formula. I2 is equal to 3 by 2 within third bracket. What is x here? Let us write down the formula. You know the formula. X is x plus half. What is x? Whole square. X plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square divided by 2. Is that clear? So next plus a square by 2. That is root 3 by 2 whole square. That is a square divided by 2. Then log within mod. What is x? X plus half plus root over. What is x square plus a square? This is x plus half whole square plus what is a whole square? It is root 3 by 2 whole square. Mod sign closed. Then third bracket is closed. Then plus c. So let us simplify it again. So I2 is equal to 3 by 2 within third bracket. Here the LCM is 2. 2x plus 1. This is 2x plus 1 divided by 2 2s are 4. And then within square root here we have a square is x square plus twice ab. 2 into x into half, that is x, plus 1/4 plus 3 by 4. Okay? Plus, let us simplify it. What is root 3 by 2 whole square? That is root 3 whole square is 3 divided by 2 whole square 4. 4 2s are 8. Log within mod x plus half plus and within square root. What do we have here? A square is x square plus twice ab. 2 into x into half. That is x. What is plus b whole square? 1/4. Plus what is root 3 by 2 whole square? 3 by 4. Mod sign closed. Right? Third bracket is closed. Then you should write plus c. So let us multiply it by 3 by 2 here. Or I2 is equal to, this is 3 by 8, 2x plus 1 within square root x square plus x plus 1. Because 1/4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4, which is 1. Plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 8s are 16. Log within mod x plus half plus root over x square plus x plus 1/4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. That is your 1. Mod sign closed plus c. So this is the value for I2. But this is not the answer. The answer is the value for I. So let us put these values of I1 as well as I2 in I. So let us put these values in I. That is I is equal to I1 minus I2. That is I is equal to, what is I1 here? Here I1 is 1/3 x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2. Don't have to write plus c here. So in the last part of the answer you should write c. Okay, don't write c here. Minus, what is I2? Minus, what is I2? It is 3 by 8 within bracket 2x plus 1 root over x square plus x plus 1. Right? And then minus into plus is minus. That is 9 by 16 log within mod x plus half plus root over. This is x square plus x plus 1. Mod sign is closed. Then what should you write? Actually minus into plus is minus c, but you don't have to write minus c out there. You can write plus c because this is constant, only constant of integration. So you should write plus c. Only one constant of integration will do here. Okay. So plus c. So what is the final answer here? So I is equal to 1/3 x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 3 by 8 into 2x plus 1 root over x square plus x plus 1, then minus into plus is minus 9 by 16 log within mod x plus half plus root under x square plus x plus 1, mod sign closed, plus c. So this is the final answer. So this question is also very, very important. You can mark it. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. So today we did these 6 problems. So you can revise it at home. So I finished this chapter today. So this is the last class for this integration by parts. So you revise all the problems in integration by parts that we did so far. Okay, so in the next online class we will do the new topic, that is integration of some special form of functions. Integration of some special form of functions, we will do it in the next online class. So this much is for today.